Hello everyone, in this video I would like to share a very amazing deal which is a Black Friday deal, and this is right now going on Envato Elements. And as you know that Envato Elements is a one-stop shop for all of your creative assets need. So it has the stock videos, it has the video templates, it has the music. So all of these are royalty free videos, sound effects, graphic templates, graphics, presentation template, photos, stock photos, fonts, add-ons, WordPress items, WordPress themes, and email templates. And there are so many things, and even more categories are there. You can see if you click over here, there are so many categories, and with just one subscription you can get access to all of these, and you can download them unlimitedly and you can use them for unlimited number of projects, be it your personal, commercial, or for your clients' work. So isn't that amazing? The creative subscription of Envato Elements is already affordable, but as this time Cyber Monday sale is going on where you can get up to 40% off for unlimited downloads only if you have a new account. Already, if you already have an account, create a new account and get this subscription. So let me show you what are its prices at this moment. The individual plan starts from $12 a month. So earlier it was a $34 per month, but now you can get it for $12 per month. So let me show you. And if you are a student, you can save even more, and you can save 30%. And if you have a team of more than 5 members, then you can get it for around $9.58 and around $10 a month. Alright, or $9.50 per month. So let me show you what are its plans if you click on this. Alright, so after creating an account, it's going to show you its actual plan. So if you choose for the monthly, that's going to cost you $19 per month, and it was normally $33 per month. I have purchased this previously for $33 per month, and if you choose to pay for yearly, that would cost you around $12 per month. So that's very good and amazing deal. I always suggest you that you go for the yearly plan, because that way you will save a lot of money. So if you normally go by this plan, that would cost you $16.50 plus taxes extra. So this is very helpful if you want to have it for a YouTube channel or for course creation, or if you are a content creator, then you must have this Envato subscription, Envato Elements subscription, because this gives you access to everything. Alright, you can select this and then you can check out. So that would cost you around $169.26 per month. So whoa, that's very amazing deal. This is a flash sale and this is available only for 48 hours. So if you are interested, you want to get it now, because this happens once in a year. So if you want to grab this deal again, then you have to wait for another year, because they offer this only on the Cyber Monday or at the time of Black Friday. So this is the perfect time. Go ahead, get the Envato Elements subscription and get access to all of these unlimited stock videos, video templates for After Effects, Premiere Pro, Apple, Motion, Final Cut Pro, the DaVinci is also. They have creative access for almost any software which you use, and you have the unlimited tracks and musics which you can use obviously for your videos or any other course creation or any other film project or short films and anything you dream of. And you have the sound effect, you have the graphic templates, so you can create website mockups are there, logos, scene generation. There are so many things, and I just personally love it. I have personally purchased the yearly subscription, and this is very amazing deal. So please don't miss it. Go ahead, get it. And if you want to get it, the link of this is in the description section below. That's my affiliate link. So if you buy anything, I might get some financial reward for this. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Till then, keep shooting and unleash the creative in you. And don't forget to share this video with others and hit the like button so that the algorithm supports or promotes this video even further. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video.